Hello everyone, my name is Alex. I'm a senior test automation engineer from Romania, and today I want to show you a quick demo for an end-to-end automation framework using Playwright and TypeScript for an e-commerce application. The two main topics of the video will be first going through a simple test flow, multiple items order, so we add 4 products to the cart and we finalize the checkout. And the second topic will be about the actual structure of the project, which folders are, and how it's used. Alright, so let's jump into the straight topic. Multiple items order test flow. I will execute the tests with the debug mode to see exactly which lines of code are executed and to have the application visually so we understand what e-commerce we are talking about. So we have an initial go to the initial base URL. We have a login, we fill username, we fill password, and we click the login button. After we arrive on the inventory page, we check that the title products is correct, so we make sure the login was successful. We add the first product, the second product, the third product, and the fourth product to the cart. After that, we check that the notification badge is correct with the number of products. After that, we'll go to the cart page, we'll get all products name, and we check that the cart items names are correct. So let's do that. We go to the cart, we get the names, and we check them, and after that, we'll do the next step, go to the checkout step 1, where we fill our information, fill username, fill last name, fill postal code, and click the continue button. The second checkout page, we just click the finish button and we are receiving on the checkout complete page. Here we check that the thank you for your order text is correct, so we mean the order is complete. And if we click a few times, we see that the test was passed. So now we'll run all the tests to show you quick the report. So the tests are running, they are done, and we see the report. This is our test, and this is the rest of the test, 13. All the tests and their implementation can be found in my public GitHub. You go to this project and you'll have the README and every details of the project. So going back to the second topic, we'll go a little bit into the structure. So we have the test folder with the spec files. We have a describe method which contains the checkout test, and after that we have a before, which will be executed before each test. We have a login, initial navigation, and if you look at the login page, we see that it extends the base page, and we have also declared the selectors here are assigned, and we see that we use the method for the base page. We inherit the base page and after that use that method. We have the login and the rest of the methods we need. If you go back to the actual test, we have another page, for example, inventory page. So here we'll go back in a second to explain, but here it's the base page. So inventory extends the base page as well, and we have declared the selector, assign them, use the go to from the base page, and after that have some methods with get product name and so on. So this is the basic page object model structure. And we see fixture. So in the fixture we only assign the pages, so those can be used without instantiating them here, because we'll be instantiating at the fixture level, and we just give them as the parameter, so we don't repeat ourselves. And besides the tests and pages, we have also the helper, which contains the rest of the files which don't have a place in the pages or in the tests. So this is a simple approach how to structure your framework. Here we have base URLs for each of the pages. We have the users, which in a production application you should have them in the environment variables to have it only on your local or as a secret. And we have also the text we are asserting again. So we see the product's name, the product IDs, the sort options, and so on. Besides that, we have the workflows with the YAML file. For the GitHub actions, a simple YAML file, and if we go to the actions, we see the pipeline. And if we have each step, installing the dependencies and so on, we'll look only at the actual test. So we see our 13 tests passed. If a test will fail, you'll see here the failing test name. You can also add the reporting, so it can be customized. And besides that, you also have the git ignoring the files, and the config, which contains where to execute the tests, CI configuration, different devices, and so on. And in the end, the README file with the project description, so it can be easy to understand from the README file. So as a conclusion, this is a simple framework page object model structure which you can use. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon.